Greetings, everyone. I am Dr. Hara Gopalan, an associate professor in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering at Sri Ramakrishna Engineering College. I hold certifications as Certified Ethical Hacker from EC Council, as Certified Ethical Hacking Instructor, and an EC Council Certified Mentor. As a mentor in the cybersecurity, I encounter numerous questions daily, whether from students or IT professionals. People often wonder about the contributions of cybersecurity to the industry and the various verticals which are available from an industry perspective. To give you a quick overview, cybersecurity is merely similar to nanotechnology involving a multidisciplinary approach. The cybersecurity landscape comprises 5 distinct verticals, namely penetration testing, threat intelligence, operational technology penetration testing, digital forensics, and information security audit, all actively applied in the industry. Let's explore into each vertical. Firstly, penetration testing focuses on web and mobile application penetration testing as well as network penetration testing. Individuals with a background in computer science or IT, along with the knowledge of application development, can pursue roles such as pen tester by acquiring industry certifications from EC Council, ISC Square, OffSec, and others. Moving on to the second vertical, which is threat intelligence, that deals with malware detection and security incident monitoring. This area involves red and blue teams for offensive and defensive security. Students with a computer science or IT background and network knowledge can become SOC analysts by aligning their skills with industry certifications again from AC Council, OffSec, and similar other organizations. The third vertical is operational technology penetration testing, focusing on monitoring, automating, and securing industrial machinery. This area is crucial for industries like manufacturing, supply chain, and automotive, which uses embedded devices. Those with a background in ECE, instrumentation, and automation can become an OT pen testers by obtaining certifications from EC Council, ISA, GPEN, and others. Digital forensic, the fourth vertical, involves collecting, analyzing, and storing electronic data to identify, investigate, and mitigate cybercrime situations. Students in computer science or IT can pursue technical certification, while those studying law can specialize in cybersecurity and become forensic analysts. Lastly, information security audit, the fifth vertical, assess an organization's information security policy for internal and external data, network, and infrastructure security regulations. Commerce or business application students with industry certifications from ISACA or ISO can become an information security auditor. These diverse verticals enable students to specialize in cybersecurity with respective degrees, meeting the growing demand of the industry. At SREC, we have partnered with EC Council as an academia partner to help students upskill according to industry needs through various certifications. Additionally, we are an OWASP Foundation chapter nurturing the cybersecurity skills. Thank you all and best of luck in your endeavors. Thank you.